Yo! What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. We're gonna get started right now. Just kidding, we're not. Bitcoin's sitting at right at 30K right now. 29,997. Too many nines for my liking. Yeah, just kind of sitting at 30K, guys. Kind of moseying our way up in a little channel. What's gonna be the next move? Up or down? Let me know in the chat. Up or down? What's coming next for BTC? Let me know. Let me say this. Do you think we see 25K
up,
or 35K first? Let me know. Let's do it, man. What comes first? Since we're at 30K, what's that? What comes first for Bitcoin? Let's do 35K. 25K. What comes first for BTC? Your grandma at 9? Nice, Waterfly. You have fun with that crusty. You have fun with that crust. You want that crusty, those crusty cheeks? You take it, man. Bottom close. You bottom. I think the bottom's after 24.5. It's close, man. I don't think we're there yet, but I think it's close. How's everyone doing tonight, though? What you guys up to tonight? Where's everyone watching from, by the way? I haven't asked this question in a while. Where is everyone watching from? Are you watching from the US? You watching over from Europe? You watching from Canada? You watching from, I don't know, really anywhere. Where are you guys watching from? Let me know in the chat. Man. Must hit 20K just for the lulz? No, man. We have to go below 20K. So if we hit 20,000, 000, I would be so happy. So happy. Hey, let's get it. I see a lot of France, Kentucky, Pluto, Scotland, Florida, California, Idaho, Texas, UK, Tampa. Mike, Tampa's one of the places I might be moving to next year, man. I'm going to be taking a look at Tampa later this year. But a lot of people have told me good things about Tampa, and could be a destination, man. It could be a destination. Or it could be a neighbor with Mike. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how I feel about being a neighbor with Mr. Michael. Tunisia, okay. Carolina, Australia. Big ups, Joker. Thank you, Rake. It's absolutely pouring out over here right now, by the way, guys. If I lose internet or anything like that, I apologize ahead of time.
Likes up, ladies and gentlemen.
It's absolutely pouring right now. And it's like a thunderstorm warning or whatever. Yeah. Watching from the homeless shelter. Yeah, man. Doesn't sound too good. Hope everyone's doing good today, though. No, nice. Not a bad Monday. I mean, things could be better for crypto, but not a bad Monday, man. Got a lot to be grateful for. To be able to be really be here in general and be here during good times too. Really the best times you could be in crypto, man. It's good times. Yeah, Quakey, it's the 4-hour chart, man. No volume on the like button? Smack that like button, guys. Smack that freaking like button like you never liked it before. Smack it. Under a bridge in Florida, nice. In a van down the river. Sounds a little shady. Sounds a little shady, man. This is like the music they play in my gym. Well, there you go. Maybe it's getting you hyped up then. Or maybe that's why you put your headphones in. One of the two. Happy and clapping. There you go, Philip. These are the best time fortunes are made in a bed. There you go, Joe. I'm micro trading Luna at $10 a trade. Okay. BitBoy's jumpsuit on a Lamborghini. Why you guys saying BitBoy sold everything?
Timer's
This is a new thing that I missed. Is Jordan eating his mic? No. I don't think that would taste very good. As it is plastic. I think it's plastic. Yeah. Mike said I schedule my life around the stream. Is that a problem? Maybe a little bit, man. A little bit. Mike, I think there's a lot of people that schedule their lives around my stream, which is it's kind of creepy, actually, when you think about it. But, you know, it's okay. It's okay. I appreciate it, you know? Yeah, today, guys, we're going to talk about, I mean, the same things we've been talking about. Today I want to make a condensed video of all the reasons why I think that we're close to the bottom. And, you know, listen, I told you guys, I'm not going to make up BS and really, I mean, I'm not going to make up BS and all this stupid charts. I'm going to tell you guys what my theory is, what I'm sticking to, and what I'm doing. That's it, right? So buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. Who bought Luna today? I haven't even looked at Luna, man. What's up, Rodney? Rodney scheduled? I know Rodney. A lot of you guys watched all 3 of my streams today, which is actually pretty crazy. It's actually really crazy. When Moon? When Moon, man? Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Roddy, you like the bottom is closed talk. Death to BTC, said J-Dog. Death to BTC. That's funny, man. Guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. All right. Let's get started here, man. Yo, what's going on? We got another Tank Top live stream. Why? Because I don't give a shit that I'm wearing a tank top. What's going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a good day. Right? Probably going to have a lot of rants tonight. You know, a lot of zooming out because, well, first we'll zoom in. Shout out who guys were here that you guys were here when I did tank top streams pretty much every day. Those were the good days. Back when everything was green every single day. But nevertheless, what's going on? Jumper DCS said, mod me, Jordan. Jumper.
Nope.
I'm just kidding, man. You know, maybe someday. Maybe someday, man. I do need some more mods, I think. I think we need to vote. So I give it to my personal mod secretary, who is Waterfly. Waterfly appoints new mods. So Waterfly, if you want to give me 2 people that you want to make blue, let me know. I'll make 2 people blue today. All right, but it's up to Waterfly. Waterfly has to tell me. All right, let's see what we got here. So 4-hour time frame. Are we making a little bit of a bear flag here, right? We don't like bear flags. Or maybe we do if we want the prices to go a little bit lower. Who wants the prices to go lower? Let me know. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Who wants the prices to go lower? Let me freaking know. All right, so maybe a little bit of a bear flag coming in, right? We got sort of higher highs and higher lows coming in and kind of a channel that's moving up here. We got rejected from the 50 EMA yesterday on the 4-hour time frame. We don't like that, okay? We don't like that. What do you mean? I like that. Yeah. All you bulls, you better sell. Me and Savvy is shorting this down to 10K. You only got a few days left. May 21st. That's where we're going down to 10K. You better be ready. Major capitulations coming. Major. I'm trying to help you guys. I don't want you guys to lose your shoes. Sell. Quick. Sell. I want you guys to keep your shoes. Your shoes. I don't even know why I'm crying. Thank you, Jabba. But besides Jabba, okay, I think a lot of us maybe want to F off Jabba. He said F off Jabba. I think a lot of us want the prices to go a little bit lower. Like a lot of us are patiently waiting for the prices to go a little bit lower. Maybe you could call us bottom dwellers. You know, I guess I used to call people bottom dwellers. But maybe a lot of us are, you know, maybe picking some bottom dwellers here. Let me see. What's going on, LP? Good to see you, my man. Good to see you. But, Digi, you're already a mod, man. You can't be a mod. I am pick me. All right, I'm making Keith a mod. You know what? I'm making Keith a mod because Keith Covey, even though he's a little bit of a troll, I love Keith Covey in the chat. So Keith Covey, congratulations, you're one of them today. Knuckle Buster, I'm making you one too, man. And maybe I'll do more today. I'm feeling jolly. I'm feeling jolly, and Knuckle Buster has been here forever. Keith Covey, been here forever. There's a lot of other you guys too, but anyways. A little bit of a bear flag. Does that mean we continue lower? I mean, there's 2 ways you can look at this, okay? You can look at this as a continuation pattern back to the downside if we were to take some type of measure move. This one probably wouldn't be a major move, but it would probably put us right back down to our lows. Yeah, it put us literally right back down to our previous low at 25K, which I do think we're going to see again to retake this wick. There's a lot of liquidity down here that the whales probably want to come get at some point, and I do think we're going to see that move back down here at some point. Might not happen today, might not happen tomorrow, maybe it happens 2 weeks from now after a retrace, but I still think we're going to come back down and take that wick, like I said, guys. There we go, man, there we go. I have been here 10 years. Have you? Have you been here for 10 years, man? I don't know if you have. All right, continue on. Let's go back to the... there's another way you can look at this, right? I know a lot of people are talking about this inverse head and shoulders, which, you know, you can... I mean, during bearish times, you can kind of call these patterns memes. There are memes in bearish times. But you do have a little bit of a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You had the breakout. This could just be the back test before continuing up higher, okay? So keep that in mind. You might have a little bit of a bullish pattern that did back test. What I'd watch for now, holy Crypto Kungan, man. Oh, it's going to be one of these streams, man. What's up, Crypto Kungan? Good to see you, man. I got a dancer. Guys, can we dance before we get into the video? Like, we are going to talk a lot of stuff about Bitcoin today. I got a lot of stuff to go over today. But Crypto Kungan comes in with the absolute hammer to start the stream. You are nuts, man. You are freaking nuts. Let's get it. Holy Scheisse. Scheisse. Crypto Kogan. Don't stop on my face. Hominin. Ha. And yes, I do have Miller Lights, but this is my first one, so I am coherent. Okay, keep that in mind. But anyways, a little bit of inverse head and shoulders. This could just be a back test before continuation up, like I said. What I'd say in the short term, I wouldn't be surprised if you see a short-term move back up to maybe even retest the top of this channel before then continuing back to the downside. But we'll watch that closely. Like I said, I'm not too worried about short-term time frames. I mean, what's a short-term time frame, right? It doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things. Let's jump on into more what I want to talk about today. Let's go over all the reasons why. All right, I think that the Bitcoin bottom is close, and I do not believe that Bitcoin goes lower than the 200 SMA. That is my absolute worst case scenario, and up until 22K, I will be DCA, okay? I will be DCA. It's really comes down close to that, and the closer we get to it, the more I will put into my buy orders. But as long as we're below 30K, I'm going to keep DCA, okay? I didn't do it today. I'm probably going to do it tomorrow, but I did it yesterday, all right? I will continue DCA under 30K up until 22K. That is my worst case scenario. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly why. Okay, you guys know, been watching the stream for a long time. You guys know all my reasons. But for everyone new, we're going to lay it out in one stream why I think that we are close to the bottom and we don't have that much lower to go, even though I still think we go a little bit lower. So it's a little bit, I guess, still think we go a little bit lower, but not too much lower. And I'll tell you guys exactly why. Let's go. Trying to get sauce tonight? No, we're not getting sauce. We're not getting sauce. What's up, Mike? What do last night's Moon and Luna have in common? They both disappeared. I didn't see it. I didn't see it, my friend. But what's up, Miller? Hype in the chat. What's going on, Miller? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Anyways, let's look why. First, number one reason. All right, number one reason. Hey, guys, we are just gonna lay it out on the line today. That's what we're doing. We are not. We are not going to BS anything. We're going to lay it out on the line. All right? And I'm going to first rant as rant alert. I want you guys to take the information that I tell you today and realize that I'm telling you this because I do not want you to miss out on the best opportunities, in my opinion, that you are going to get. Okay? Based off history of Bitcoin, these are the best opportunities to accumulate. And I want everyone in the chat and everyone that's been watching me forever, even if you started watching me yesterday, I want you guys to succeed, and I don't want you to miss out, okay? Do not let the FUD and do not let the fear you out. In every bear market, there is FUD, there is fear, there is blood in the freaking streets, but do not let it get to you. That's the whole point of a bear market. It's not supposed to be fun to buy. It's supposed to suck, okay? It's supposed to sting. You're supposed to feel like, should I buy? And when you buy, you even regret it sometimes, okay? That's how it's supposed to feel. So take it in. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of this because I swear, when the prices go back up and the next bull market starts, I don't want to hear any crybabies, any pussies, okay, say, oh, I didn't have the chance to buy. You did, okay? And I'm telling you today, take advantage of it. Don't be a pussy, all right? Rant alert. Seriously. I just want everyone to succeed, and I don't want everyone to miss out. I could sit back at the sidelines and just accumulate quietly. No, I want everyone to succeed the same way I do. So I'm going to lay it out on the line. I'm going to tell you guys my hypothesis. If I'm wrong, I will eat the freaking sock. I will eat the sock. I will put tikka masala on it, and I will eat it. Okay? All right, just want to put that on there. What's up, Max? 10 out of 10 rant today? Oh, we're going to have a lot of rants today. I am feeling ranty. I am feeling hyped up, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good about what's to come, man. I really, really am. All right. Number one reason why I think the Bitcoin bottom could be close. All right. Let's start with the number one reason. Jordan, will you just tell us? You've been saying this for 5 minutes. You've just been rambling about nonsense. You said this 5 minutes ago, the number one reason, then you started rambling. It's ridiculous. I came here for facts, not rambling. Christ, I'm not watching this freaking stream. This guy sucks. You guys should unsub from this freaking guy. He sucks. Thanks, Bob. No one cares about your opinion. Get back in your basement where you belong. All right. Here we go. All right. Number one reason. Okay. Number one reason. is the big selling pressure that came in whenever, okay? I'm going to lay it out on the line. The number one reason, whenever you get the major sell-off points, all right, and you see the big volume spikes come in after big sell-offs, after big capitulations. A couple days ago was a major capitulation. You could say it wasn't, but it was. Just look at the altcoin prices, okay? They got absolutely decimated. Doesn't mean they can't go lower, and I think they will, but they got absolutely decimated, all right? Giant sell-off usually marks points where you're close to a bottom. Might not be right at the bottom. You might still go a little bit lower, all right? Just for example, back in May of 2021, you still ended up going a little bit lower, but you were pretty close to the bottom. Same thing back here in January 2021. You still ended up going a little bit lower, but it was only a couple weeks, right? When you have these big volume spikes, it's usually within a couple weeks that marks the bottom. Same thing in March of 2020. You have the big volume spike, that marked the bottom, okay? You go back in 2019, you had the big volume spike. Guess what? You went a little bit lower for a few weeks, but that marked the bottom. All right? You can continue on. Even there in this dip, I mean, you can go continue on. It's the same type of thing. That's one reason, okay? 1 out of like 10 reasons that we'll go over, all right? That's one reason that I'm looking at first of all right? First of all. Coogan. I can't even do the video today. Coogan, you're absolutely nuts, man. We're gonna, he said, keep up the good work. Love crypto at low prices. Feels like 2019. You are insane, man. Let me tell you that. You are absolutely insane. But we're gonna go on to the next reason, and we'll dance again for Coogan. But I want to get through some of these reasons here. All right? Stop moving your circles. Stop moving your circles, man. All right. Number 2 reason, and I think this is the most important reason based off history of BTC. I will firstly say that previous results do not equal future results, but that's all we have to look at. It's all we have to look at. I'm amped up today. Hope you guys are amped up as well. All right. Number 2, not only did we have the capitulation that we were looking for, all right, but we also went back down to the 200 EMA. Right? We did not wick to the 200 SMA yet, and that's why I'm saying that we could go a little bit lower. For me, that's the low. That's the low for me, is the 200 SMA on a weekly close. Can you get a wick below? Yes, I hope not, because I don't want to eat the sock, but I do. I don't think on a weekly close you'll go below the 200 SMA based off the history of Bitcoin. It has never had a weekly close below the 200 SMA, and I will stand by that because that's all we have to look at. And buying BTC anywhere in between the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA has historically been the best times to buy crypto. Hands down. You can go look at it back yourself. Look at the blue moving average and the red moving average here. And look at the lows. You buy wherever these are, you are going to be absolutely killing it. Might take a few months, but you're going to be absolutely killing it when the prices start going back up, okay? It could take a little while. I'm not going to say it's going to happen right away. You got to have patience, man. You got to have patience. But, all right, this is the number 2 that I think the bottom is close, and you got to pay attention to this. All right, this is very, very important. I think you guys need to, if you guys look at your charts, you need to put this on your charts. Put the 200 EMA, put the 200 SMA, put this on your charts. And on this wick, below the 200 EMA, I actually had a big buy order go through. I'm very happy about that. And I have another big one right above the 200 SMA that I move up consistently. So take that in mind. Bathwater said, look at the 2018 action months below. I can't shake that vibe. Oh, the 2018 action? Bathwater, you think you're talking about down here, my friend? Listen, I mean, even if it's like this, right? Even if you go slightly lower, right? I mean, it's the difference. Like, look where we are in price. Right? We are sitting right above the 200 EMA. Right above the 200 EMA. Okay? Right? And we had, it's kind of, if we were to look at it the same way in 2018, where we're sitting right above the 200 EMA, right? How much lower did we go to the 200 SMA? Right? We went approximately about 20, let's just call it 25%. It's like 26%. Let's call it 25% just to keep an even number. How far are we from the 200 SMA right now? Is it a coincidence that we are exactly 26% from the SMA again? Could be, but what happened? You consolidated for about 3 months, right? And even if it doesn't play out like this, even if you go sideways for a year, even if you go sideways for 2 years, right, down at the lows, who cares? It still end up getting a good buy at some point. So Take that for what you will. That's my number 2 reason why I think the bottoms could be close. The biggest channel in the interweb. Look at BitBoy in the tank top. Yo, look at him. He's ready. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, do not listen to this joker Jordan. We are going down 85% from our highs like we have in every single bear market. We are going back down all the way to 14K, right? 14K. We are going all the way back down there. An 85% retracement is actually 10,300 based off previous cycles. Let's ignore the fact that we didn't have a huge blow off top and just say that we're going to have an 85% correction for absolutely no reason. All right? That's my theory. I think we're going back down to 10,300. Take that for what you will. BitBoy out. TJ, shut off the camera, TJ. Shut off the camera. Get back in your cage. I'm going to come get you. I'm coming to get you. Listen. All right. Hey, let's move on. All right. 29,900. Listen. Do give Jordan uppers before the stream. No one, man. I'm hyped. All right. Continuing on here. What are you guys saying? Joe, what's up, man? Thanks for the super chat. He said, what if we break 200 weekly this cycle? Well, we're fucked. But that's all we have to look at, right? All we have is previous results. If we break the 200, we're fucked. But, we can't predict that until it happens, okay? So you got to obviously be ready for that. And I think even if we go to the 200 weekly, SMA, don't go all in. Still keep some dry powder on the sidelines in case we do. You can't predict that stuff. So, I mean, I would just say don't go all in at the 200 SMA. Have some cash on the sidelines just in case we do break that. But Bitcoin's never done it. So, I mean, that's sort of just a wild prediction if you do that, at least right now. That's like saying Bitcoin's going to break the 500 weekly. It's never done it, So, we'll find out when we do it. Guys, I'm actually normal. I haven't drinking any coffee. I've only had 1 Miller Lite, so I'm good to go, man. I'm good to go. I'm just excited today. These are good times, and I'm just excited to get these times again. I really am. That's all I'll say. So that's number 2, right? Number 3. Let's go look at number 3. How low has the weekly RSI gotten in the past? Let's go take a look and look at previous bear market bottoms where the weekly RSI has been. All right. First of all, let's look at this poll right here. What comes first for Bitcoin? 35K or 25K? We have 52% who say 25K. So it's about 50-50. Yesterday it was kind of 50-50 too. So not much has changed on that poll. I'm going to end that poll right now. Creighton said you might need another beer. I think I might, man. I got another one ready to go over here. Can you act like Rand? No, man, I can't act like Rand. Rand got wrecked, man. All right, let's continue. I mean, I will say, I mean, not to be rude, it's what you get for having 80% of your portfolio in an altcoin. Just saying. All right, let's continue. So, back down here, how low has the weekly RSI ever gone for BTC? Once again, I'm not taking one indicator. I'm looking at multiple things to show you guys what kind of my thought process is here. Don't take this financial advice. Do your own strategy. This is just what I'm doing. All right. What else do we have? Let's look at the weekly RSI levels. Only 2 times in Bitcoin's past has the weekly RSI ever been lower than it is now. Okay. Where were those times? Well, the bottom in 2018. Okay. Literally the bottom weekly candle. And also the bottom weekly candle in 2015. Those were the 2 times that the weekly RSI has been this low for Bitcoin. All right. So take that for what you will. This is still showing we could go lower, right? And this would kind of match up with our theory of Bitcoin still going to the 200 SMA. It still shows that we can go lower, which is fine. We know this. This is what we've been discussing, right? So slight move lower on this to get to oversold. But guys, it hasn't been lower than this. besides the 2 bear market bottom weekly candles. That's it. That's it. So take that for what you will. All right. I'm just laying it out here for you guys. I'm laying it out here for you guys. So they can go lower. Don't go all in. I'm gonna keep saying that as we go. All right. I'm gonna keep saying that as we go. A lot of George and BitBoy supporters in the chat. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine, man. Have a stop loss. Ice Sniper, did you just make fun of people, fake on fun of people that lost money on Luna? All right, man. Do I have to be that guy today? Everyone's lost money in an altcoin, okay? Everyone's lost money in crypto before, okay? So I know it sucks for the Luna holders, but listen, everyone's wrecked right now. I know Luna got wrecked the most. Every altcoin's down 80% from the highs, okay? So everyone's getting wrecked that holds majority altcoins, okay? Yes, it sucks for the Luna people, okay? I'm gonna be sensitive to the Luna people, but everyone's down, okay? I don't. Everyone's like so afraid to say things in this space. I'm gonna lay it out it is. Everyone's down, okay? It's not just the Luna guys. So let's stop like acting like, oh, Luna, oh my God. Everyone's down, all right? So everyone's just so soft about the Luna thing, man. I get it, man. It sucks. We've all been there before, okay? So let's not act like Luna's the only coin that's down. It's like, holy shit. All right, anyways, let's continue on. That's a quick rant alert. Real quick. So let's continue on. Here we go, man. All right, let's continue on. So, all right, reason number 3. All right, reason number 3. Let's continue. Let's continue this. Bitcoin has bottomed usually about a year. Holy shit, it's hot in here. Bitcoin has bottomed about a year after it's peaked. Okay, literally a year after it's peaked. So, you know, we know this back from 2013 highs to the lows, right? We know this back from the 2017 highs to the lows, all right? So, and you know, that took 52 weeks in 2017. It took 56 weeks back in 2013, right? I will say this again. I think the top for Bitcoin should have been April of 2021. That was mass. That was like the mass hysteria. That's when that's when Dogecoin was going nuts. We'd get SNL. Everyone was going nuts with crypto. Everyone was getting into crypto during that time, right? You get the point. So we are actually this week 57 weeks. All right. So if we were to take a time horizon from there, would match up with relative where we usually bottom in the past. Once again, still could go lower, but that gives us a little space to go a little bit lower if we wanted to, right? We obviously also on the weekly have right here. So we have the weekly logarithmic regression curves, and we have the Fibonacci levels on the weekly Fibonacci curves, right? The second line has always been, if you go back in the past, has always been right around this line has been the best area to accumulate BTC in the past. If you accumulated anywhere near the second line, you absolutely killed it in any market. You absolutely killed it. Okay? Sergio said you missed option number 1 and number 2. Sergio, he's not starting over. I had to wait like 20 minutes for reason number 1. Just rewind, you idiot. Sergio, you're an idiot. Just rewind. Christ, you see the thing on YouTube? Scroll over to the left. We're not waiting for your lazy ass. Rewind. God. Damn. Sergio, we're not rewinding for you, bruh. You heard Bob. We're not rewinding for you, Sergio.
Mark my words. The bull run will start in July.
Start in July? Out of nowhere. Holy crap, it's hot here. You sound like my wife. Maybe it's because you're in there, Clint. You ever think maybe it's because you're in there, man? That's why your wife's like, holy shit, it's hot? All right, let's be honest. All right. Do bench press? I will bench press, my man. Jim Shock. All right, continuing on. Right here, man. So that line right now is sitting at approximately about 24K. So, I mean, it's kind of right in between the 200 SMA and 200 EMA. Coincidence? I think not. All right. Continuing on. Sergio, I'm just messing with you, by the way. Guys, if I pick on you in the chat, okay? I'm just messing with you, all right? If you guys can troll me the whole stream, I'm gonna troll you back, all right? We have a very open door here, okay? We have all of us that watch the stream every day. We have very thick skin. We can take jokes, okay? You guys want to throw jokes at me? I've seen every joke in the book, so give it to me, man. All right. A couple more reasons here, and then we'll jump on some other cool stuff. The monthly RSI. Look where the monthly RSI is, guys. Right? I will say this again. I'm just laying it out here for you. All of it. Right? The monthly RSI. If you bought in Bitcoin anywhere when the monthly RSI is between 44 and 48, you've killed it. You've killed it. Let's mark the times where Bitcoin's been below 44 and 48. Shall we? Shall we just mark the times? Let's go mark the times, guys. Let's go mark the times. All right, you think you'd be pretty happy if you bought right here? I think you would. Okay. You think the Bank of Canada guy would be happy if he bought right here? You think you'd be calling it a scam? Let's go check it out, guys. Let's go check it out. You think you'd be happy buying Bitcoin between those lines? Yeah, I think you would. I think you would. So, looks like we're dropping between there. We got to see where the monthly closes. But this month looks like the start of Bitcoin dropping in between there. Right? You can see that sometimes we stay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months of sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of sideways. You can stay down here for a while. Right? But historically, this has been the place to buy. Right? So, another reason, okay? Another one. Where's my guy DJ Khaled when I need him? Where's DJ Khaled? DJ Khaled. Every time I say that, I just think of my guy here. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Come on, bring him up. Another one. Another one. What do you want, Jordan, to give you another one? You want another one, bro? You ain't getting another one. Another one. I love that. But yeah, so that is another one. Another one, as you would say. Another one. But yeah, so that's that. What else do we got? I'm just going to keep laying it down, man. I'm going to keep laying it down. By the way, let me know if you like the tank top. Bullish on tank top, bearish on tank top. Let's do a poll real quick. Let's do a quick poll again. Are you bullish or bearish on tank top streams? Let's do bullish. Let's do bearish. Okay, bullish, bearish. There we go. Kill it. George, you sound like George with all his reasons to buy it. No, don't compare me to George, man. Don't compare me to George, because I am willing to admit that Bitcoin is going to go lower. I think Bitcoin's got to go lower. Do not compare me to George.
Rant alert.
No. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. I'm giving you the reasons why I think Bitcoin's close to a bottom. I'm not going to do this shit where I'm like, oh, Bitcoin looks strong right now when it pumps up 1% on the hourly. No. Do not compare me to George.
Rant alert.
No. We're not going to do that today. We're not going to do that today. Okay? I'm giving you solid facts. I'm not giving you made up BS that I found on Twitter. I'm giving you facts based off the charts, unlike certain people do. Do not compare me to George. No. Okay? I think Bitcoin's going lower. And I'm telling you why I think we're close. Okay? So, don't do that. I want to see George in a tank top. We can do that. Let's see what George in a tank top. Let's see. I am George. We're all George. Guys, I'm going to tell you why Bitcoin is looking strong today. Look at the bounce that Bitcoin is getting today. We are approximately, Bitcoin has bounced 2% to the upside. Bitcoin is looking extremely strong. I think Bitcoin is building a base. Bitcoin is building a base right here, and looks like it's going to continue higher from this level. Look at the base that Bitcoin's building right here. I mean, it's just such a solid base, and I think it's going to continue higher, at least back up to this previous peak right here. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. Okay, there we go. Dan said, hey, you're me. I can't continue on that. Hey, you're me. All right, continuing on here. What's another thing we have to look at? All right, what's another thing we have to look at? Let's go look at this. I mean, this is not made up. This is pure facts. All right, pure facts. We talked about this the other day, but I wanted to bring it up again. One of the biggest whales in crypto, okay, who has only bought at Bitcoin's lows, just bought more Bitcoin 2 days ago on all his wallets. Think he would do that for no reason? Could he be wrong? Yes. Whales aren't always correct. But I'm going to take the whale who has, I mean, this guy has billions of dollars in crypto, okay? I'm going to take this whale who bought at the bottom in 2018, who bought at the bottom of last summer, and now just bought 2 days ago. I'm going to look at what he's doing, because he's got a lot of money on stake, and he's not messing around, okay? He is not messing around. He just made a $300 million purchase on all his wallets. Not one, a couple days ago. 2 days ago, all right? So I'm going to look at this guy, all right? And he bought, he bought right here. What was it? July something back down here. And then he also bought in 2018, all right? It's got. So I'm gonna look at this guy and say the guy who has a shitload more money than I do, all right? I'm gonna take his advice, even though he's not telling me what to do. I'm gonna look at what he's doing, and I'm gonna do what the whales are doing, and not doing what plebs on Twitter are telling me to do. I'm not gonna listen to what plebs on YouTube are telling me what to do. I'm gonna look at the biggest people and look at what they're doing. And I mean, you can go look at it. A lot of them. I mean, you look last in. I mean, 514. This is what these guys doing. Like 514. I mean, he bought all right there, right? If you look at a lot of the other guys have bought. This one bought today. This one bought 2 days ago. This one bought 4 days ago. This one bought today. Okay. I mean, a lot of these guys. I mean, this one bought in April. This one bought 3 days ago. This one bought today. Okay. So take that for what you will. Not all of them have, obviously, but a lot of these guys probably know what they're doing more than we do. Okay? So that's all I'm going to say. That is all I'm going to say. He's getting wrecked. We'll see. We'll see. It's all our $5 purchases that move the market. True. True. Follow the money, said J Law. There you go, man. Follow the big money. That's what I'll say. Yo, is that an ad for a do-rag? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? That's the most random ad I've ever seen. It's a do-rag. Oh God, man, I'm freaking sweating. Why am I sweating so much right now? Oh God. I swear I'm not searching for do-rags, I swear. Oh God. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Oh God. You need it? maybe Oh God, man. All right, let's continue on. That'll never get old. That was great. That was great. All right. Continue. All right. So the daily. Let's look at the daily. All right. We've kind of talked about some interesting reasons why. I have more reasons why. We'll look at the Nasdaq and things like that. Let's quickly look at Bitcoin's chart real quick. God, man, that's funny. That's funny. Let's see. So 29,900 is where BTC is in right now. Are we going to get a bearish engulfing candle? Right, and this is sort of one thing we're saying, like, we don't want to see a bearish engulfing candle right now. If you're a bull and you want the prices to go up, you do not want to see a bearish engulfing candle. By the way, EAD, thanks for the super chat, man. He said, can we look at some on-chain indicators? Yum. Well, we just looked at one, a big whale buying, but we can try to look at some other stuff. I mean, on-chain, I used to look at it a little bit. I mean, it's more longer-term stuff. Like, you'll notice, and I can bring some of that stuff up. Now, a lot of that stuff hasn't really been playing out, so that's why I kind of stopped looking at it, but we can certainly start looking at it, man. Do-rag filter? No, man, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. You guys can probably guess why I'm not going to do that. But anyways, let's continue on. Alex said SpongeBob rinse and repeat picture. Oh, yeah, man. We haven't looked at this in a while. But yeah, real quick. I get off topic so fast. Thank you for the super chat, though, Alex. I got you on the SpongeBob pick. That's a great point on the SpongeBob pick. We have not looked at the I forgot about our SpongeBob pick, man. I forgot about it. But anyways, you don't want to see a bearish engulfing candle. If you do, that's typically not a good sign, right? Last time we got one was right here, and we bonked. We doge bonked back down after the close. We doge bonked another 8% down. So let's see what happens. But I would like to get a close, preferably if you're a bull. Now, I'll say this: I kind of want the prices to go a little bit lower here. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. I want the prices to go lower right now. So I am a bull, but I guess I could say I'm a short-term bear. But we got, if for a bulls, you want to get a close right at where we closed yesterday. I think it's like 30,100. You want to get a close above there. It's pretty close. I mean, you're $150 away, so that could easily happen. But for the bulls, you want to get a close above there. Just for a little bit zoomed in crap. Let's see. Doge bonk. Bullish on the do-rag. Imagine one streamer just showed up with a do-rag on. What'd you guys say? All right. Let me turn this off. Let me go over here, do this. There we go. I'm a little bit fuzzy. There we go. Now we're back to HD. Wow, holy shit, I look HD. Don't I look HD? Oh, okay. I look the same. It looks like I look pretty... See, I'm fuzzy? Looks like I was HD. Yeah. Looks HD. Watch. Whenever I said it. But, yeah, that's that. And, that's that. All right. Let's continue back on before we get into other stuff. Let's look at the NASDAQ here. I know everyone cares about the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ, as we know, Bitcoin usually follows the stock market. So, I mean, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. We usually, you would get canceled, probably, which I think is dumb. I guess, I wish I could wear a do-rag, but I can't. So the 0.5 fib, we actually, we kind of wicked below the 0.5 fib, but for the bulls, you kind of want to get a bounce off there. So we got a nice bounce off the 382, a nice bounce off the 382 there. You're kind of looking for that same bounce back up on the 0.5 fib. You haven't really got it. I mean, maybe you could count this as some type of bounce, really, but you kind of wicked below it. You really kind of didn't respect it. So here's the thing on the NASDAQ. Here's the thing on the NASDAQ here. Okay?
Did you buy any of the Luna dip? Be honest, lol.
Did I buy any of the Luna dip? I would tell you if I did, man, and I did not touch that thing with a 15-foot pole. I didn't even think twice about buying it. So take it for what you will. Okay? And this is, I'll always be honest, this is the guy who sold his crow before it did a 10x. And it wasn't a little amount of money. So I will always tell you. And this is the guy who bought XRP $3 plus. So take it for what you will. So the golden pocket zone, all right, the golden pocket zone, that's where I would look for the NASDAQ to go to. It would kind of be right at the previous highs. Like if we went back to like the 0.65 fib somewhere down here, a nice retrace back down here. A nice retrace back down here, and to the 0.65 in the previous high, that would be pretty good, right? That would be pretty good. So let's see what happens there. But ultimately, hey, I think a move back down to like $1,000 even on the NASDAQ, which would be approximately about a 13% move, would make sense if Bitcoin went to the 200 SMA. So maybe that could be the point where the NASDAQ starts to bounce back up. But we got a little bit ways to go if that's the case. We're going to watch that closely, but that's one thing I'm looking at there. J-Rock? What do you guys name? You guys naming me in the chat now because I'm wearing a tank top and I have a do-rag? And I have a do-rag ad? J-Rock. Is that my name here? If I was a rapper? J-Rock. Clint. Clint. I'm not going to say you're wrong, man, but, I will say that you are very right, Clint. But, hey. All right? TA's TA, my guy. Oh, gosh. Clint, you are a good troll, man. Like, if I didn't know who you are, you would probably get under my skin a little bit. You are very good. Clint's been watching my stream for a very long time, and he knows how to get under my skin. All right. Did you buy any of the Luna dip? Oh, no. I already said this. Absolutely not. Didn't touch that with a 15-foot pull, a 10-foot pull. I would say, I don't think anyone I really know did. Did anyone really buy the Luna dip? Fuck! Shit. Java! Don't tell Mom, but I bought Luna. I bought Luna so many times. It had so many zeros. Don't tell Mom. I'm telling her. I'm going to tell her right now. Mom, Bob bought Luna. Jabba, shut up. Mom. Oh man, I have too much fun with this. But I have too much fun on this stream, man. I really do. No one has more fun in their streams than I do. I will 100% say that. No one has more fun than I do doing this. All right, and I don't even think it's close. Everyone else looks depressed when they stream. Anyways, let's sort of continue on. That's that. So we did look at the NASDAQ. The DXY is another one, right? I don't think the DXY is topped out yet. I don't think the DXY is topped out yet, but we are having a little bit of bearish divergence on the daily. So if there's a point where the DXY could have, maybe a slight, you're so loud. I am very loud, okay? I'm very, very loud, and I'm surprised I don't lose my voice more often. I'm really surprised. Because my mouth just, a lot of times, like during the day, my mouth doesn't even stop moving sometimes. I'm very obnoxious. A lot. But, yeah, so we have slight bearish divergence on the daily time frame here. So we have higher highs, lower highs. If there's ever a point where maybe the USD could come down a little bit in value, I mean, now's the time we're looking for it, So not going to call a macro high because I want to see more on the weekly time frame. The weekly still looks strong. The weekly doesn't look very bearish here. And usually most tops on the DXY on the weekly do have some type of bearish divergence. But the daily, for at least maybe a small retrace, small retrace back down, maybe that sets up Bitcoin for a little bit of a relief rally. Who knows? Let's watch that closely, though. Let's watch how this unfolds. But it is playing out a little bit. Oh, man. We need fun. This could be stressful. No, don't get me wrong, man. I mean, crypto is stressful. I'll say this. Even when the prices are going up, crypto's stressful. Why? Because you're always...
You have to. You said you were going to do it.
All right, guys. Let me finish my thought. I'm going to show you my foot, okay? I don't think you want to see my foot, but I'm going to show you anyways. Let me know. Actually, we'll do a poll. We'll do a poll if you want to see my foot. Are you bullish or bearish on tank top streams? 53% bearish. Screw you guys. All right. Let's do one more poll here. We're going to say, do you want to see Jordan's foot? You might want to see it. It's funny. Do you want to see Jordan's foot? Okay, there we go. Answer how you want. If it's no, then no. But here's what it is. So that's that. Not the foot again. Graham said not the foot again. It's funny. This is a really funny picture. It actually is my foot, so. Foot can't be as bad as your hairline. Oh, it can be. It can be. You'll see shortly if you vote yes. So what was I talking about? Shit. Even when the price is going up, it's Crispell stressful, right? Why? Because you got to know when to take profits, right? Sometimes it can be stressful seeing the prices pump, but you don't know when to take profits. That can be stressful sometimes. I think that's even more stressful. Taking profits for me is more stressful than the price going down. I will say that it's because it's fear and greed, right? Fear, I've kind of mastered. I'll say this about myself. I've kind of mastered not feeling fear. I've kind of mastered that for myself. I'm not feeling fear, but what I'll say about greed, sometimes I struggle with greed a little bit, and that's something I've been working with. So, yeah, I think that for me that's always been the hardest thing is taking profits. So that's what I've been working on, and I'll continue to work on. Right? I think everyone should work on that skill. Voted no. I like feet. Nice. We want to see Do-Rag stream. Bro, I'm eating. Wait like 5 minutes. Yeah, you don't want to eat while looking at this foot. I'll tell you that right now. You don't want to eat. All right, so we got 10 minutes into the close. We've talked about a crap load of stuff. Like I've been rambling for 50 minutes. Like absolutely rambling about 50 minutes. And not even about altcoins yet. No one could talk about Bitcoin longer than I can. I will always say that. I just love talking about longer term charts. I could talk about longer term charts forever, man. All right. So one more thing. Let's look at the fear and greed ads. I know you guys love the fear and greed ads. We'll check it when the price updates here shortly. But holy, bro, True Classic T. I bought 7 True Classic Tees yesterday. I checked this for a deal. They said no deals yesterday. Look what the deals are now. You gotta be messing with me. 34% off on one of the packs I was looking at, man. Ridiculous. Ridiculous fear and greed ads. Screw me. But no, we're still in extreme fear. Let's see where we're at today. Something tells me we'll probably be in extreme fear again. Everyone's panicking like crazy. It is what it is. But yeah, screw True Classic Tees. I no longer support them. I paid probably not a lot. I mean, I maybe paid $30, $40 if I didn't use this freaking ad, which is ridiculous. Ridiculous if you ask me. Send them back. No, I mean, listen, I want those shirts, so I'm not going to send them back. But by the way, guys, generally speaking, best shirts you can get. I'm not sponsored. I don't have any link you guys can click. The best t-shirts you can get. They're awesome. Okay? They're awesome. All right? They're awesome. That's all I'll say. DCA them tees. Don't be a Karen. I am being a little bit of a Karen. I'm being slight Karen here. Anyways, can I make a quick rant alert, guys?
Rant alert.
Can I make a quick rant alert? I just feel like other content creators don't have anything else to talk about. The fear and greed index does not freaking matter. The fear and greed index, I'll say this again. The fear and greed index does not freaking matter. Obviously, people are going to be fearful when the prices go down. Obviously, people are going to be greedy when the prices go up. I feel like I watched like 5 videos and everyone talked about the stupid fear and greed index, and I know I am too. I look at it more for a meme and in the just to make fun of people being fearful, and the ads. But people actually look at this as some type of indicator. I'll tell you, this shit doesn't matter at all. Okay, in 2018, we were constantly in fear, but we kept going lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. So I'll tell you this right now: just because we're in extreme fear does not mean we're at a bottom. Okay, so don't listen to these people saying, "Oh, we're at extreme fear. That means we're at the bottom." No, it does not mean we're at the bottom. It's one of the dumbest things I've ever heard. Okay, so I'm just laying it out there, man. I'm just laying it out there. It does not mean anything. Okay, it doesn't. 2018, we were extreme fear once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, until we eventually bounce. So once again, I just want to make a quick fear and greed index rant. It does not mean anything, man.
Rant alert.
It doesn't mean anything. So you're searching for do-rags. Yes. Yes, man. That's the new style. You haven't heard? It's a new style. You know what? I'm wearing a do-rag, man. You know why? Because I can. I can. Why can't I? Why can't I wear a do-rag? This looks so fake. What is this? This looks like hair. Screw it. I'm gonna get. This is like so bad. I'm gonna keep it on. It looks pretty good. But yeah, listen. Like, what is this? Who made this? This looks so bad. Who took the time to actually make this? But yeah, true classic do-rags. They should sell those, I guess. All right. Anyways, let me look at some of these super chats, and then we will sort of go through over this. All right. Let's see. What are you guys saying here? Let me see on here. Oh, Ead said, "Mark my words, the bull run will start in July." Okay. The bull run starts in July. You look like a pirate. I'm offended. Reported. Why? Oh, man. All right. So the bull run will start in July. Actually, is this one better? Let me see this one. This one's even worse. What is this? Who made this? This one's even worse. Screw it. I mean, we're going to keep it on for the rest of the stream. I kind of like it. But this one looks like a sock with like, I don't even know what this thing looks like. Or like a pan. Doesn't it?
It looks like Wendy O filter.
Wendy O. Oh, yeah, it does. It does look like Wendy O filter. All right. It's like the size of Bob's head. I'm getting selfies taken of me. Yo, what's good? All right. Why is the bull run starting in July, my friend? Why would it start in July? I'm generally curious. I'm generally curious. All right, let me take this off. Oh, God. You look hot. A base, no fortress, a stronghold. Fort Knox. Yeah. All right, guys. I think for the Bulls, I think we're gonna get this bearish engulfing on the daily. Like I said, last time we got that, we got a little carnage the next day. But 8% wick to the downside. So let's see if this means anything. All right. I mean, let's go back at some of the last times we had bearish engulfings. We had bearish engulfing right here. Boop. You guys know what you guys hate when I do boop. But you know I mean business when I do boop. I mean, you had one right here, continued down, right here. I mean, you bounced up, but you eventually continued down. Bearish engulfing here, continued down. Bearish engulfing here, continued down. Let's see. Bearish engulfing right here, continued down. Bearish engulfing here, had another red candle. Let's see. Let's see. This one, I mean, this one bounced. This one, he had another red candle. God. Don't do that to your lips here, okay? WW. I'm bullish on the bear market. I am bullish.
Rant alert.
I am bullish on the bear market too. You should be bullish on the bear market. I know I rant about the same thing every day, but I want to get it absolutely plunged in your head, man. I want to get it plunged in your head. These are great times. These would be the times you want to pay attention. These are the times that make the people who make the most money in crypto. The people buying Bitcoin when it's, I'm not going to say low. Low is a subjective term. But when you buy Bitcoin near the 200 SMA, when you buy altcoins when Bitcoin is near the 200 SMA, that has been the recipes for success in the past. I'm basing it off the past at this point. Okay, that's all we have to look at. These are the best times to be in crypto. Not when Floki Inu is up 1,000x in 2024. Okay? Get it through, you thick skulls. Okay? I have a thick skull. Sometimes I have to tell myself this. Jordan, what are you doing? Why are you not DCAing today? Why are you being a pussy? I have to say this to myself sometimes. Seriously, I do. Sometimes I walk around, I'm like, Jordan, why are you being a pussy right now? I'm serious. You got to be able to buy when no one wants to. No one wants to buy right now. Everyone thinks we're going lower. And that's the times you want to buy, when everyone thinks we're going lower. I'm serious, man. I'm serious about this. I know I'm a jokester. I know you guys like to make fun of me, oh, this and this. This is dead serious. You can watch every video in the world, but this is what matters, man. Being in crypto during this time and accumulating near the 200 SMA, where so many indicators are pointing to lows. I'm not even trying to act like George right now, because I'm really not. I'm really not. But these are the times, man, to be in crypto. When I mean be in, don't mean maybe don't go all in, right? I'm not saying, what I mean by be in is be in the space, be connected in the space, right? Be ready to take advantage is what I mean by being in. Don't be a pleb who watches the news every day and floods themselves out of every great opportunity that they could have had in their life, okay? You know what plebs do? Plebs watch Channel 6. Plebs watch Channel 4 and watch the news. Watch all the FUD. Watch all the things going on in the world. And don't take advantage when everyone else is sitting on their couch eating popcorn. Okay? Right? I'm being serious right now. Okay? I'm laughing because I said eating popcorn. I don't know why. That's what plebs do. Right? Smart people buy when those plebs are doing that. Okay? Seriously. Don't be a pleb. Don't be a pleb. Okay?
Rant alert.
Don't go all in. Don't go all in, but be ready to take advantage when you want to take advantage. And stick to your plan. Stick to your freaking plan. And have some conviction in your plan. Don't buy and be a pussy if it drops 10%. Seriously. What rant number is this? I told you it was going to be a Rod of Lance today. I'm feeling energized. I'm feeling good. And when I'm feeling good, I'm feeling ranty, man. I am. Robert said I stopped watching any type of news over a year ago. Best thing I've ever done. Dude, I don't watch the news, man. All watching the news does is make you depressed. The world sucks. All the news does is push out bad things now. Okay? It's never good news. It's bad news. Watching noobs. Watching noobs. I guess you could say that. Watching news is the worst thing you can do. Just FUDs you out of everything. Stop watching the FUD. Look at positives. It's too late, said Keith. It's too late. Noted, do not eat popcorn. Oh, man. All right, end rant.
Rant alert.
Okay. Do you want to see Jordan's foot? 62% of people said no. So, you guys voted. They voted no. 62% said no. Okay? So, if it was closer to 50-50, maybe I would have still done it. But 62% don't want to see the foot. I don't want to piss you guys off. Okay? Maybe I'll ask you guys tomorrow. Because Maya wants you guys to see my foot for some reason. All right. So she wants to, it is a funny picture. It is really funny. SpongeBob. Oh yeah, we need SpongeBob pick. SpongeBob pick We got the daily close, by the way. We got the bearish engulfing on the daily close. I think that's no bueno based off past results. So let's see what Bitcoin does going into tomorrow, right? Let's see what it does. And let's do the SpongeBob pick, because SpongeBob spits facts, and, you know, that's all you need to see, man. I mean, actually, SpongeBob is the meme, but here you go. Here you go. Are you guys going to be... Which SpongeBob are you? Okay? If you've ever been the SpongeBob, whether you've been the top SpongeBob or the bottom SpongeBob, okay? Listen, I actually think Floki Inu could be the next one. It could be the next one. That's why I always say Floki Inu. Because Floki Inu has like a big community, or it did. Have you guys ever been one of these SpongeBobs before? Okay? And listen, a lot of people are have been that SpongeBob on the bottom. Okay? A lot of people have been that SpongeBob. The thing is, even if you've been that SpongeBob on the bottom, do not become the SpongeBob on the top. Okay? Take advantage. Do not be the top SpongeBob in 2024. Do not be the top SpongeBob whenever the market recovers. Okay? Even if you've been the bottom SpongeBob, even if you panic sold, you know, let's say you panic sold 25K, right? And now it bounced back up, and because I know a lot of people panic sold 25K. That's why there was such high volume right there, right? A lot of people panic sold 25K. Even if you panic sold 25K and you're waiting for it, just be ready. Don't be the next SpongeBob going like this. I'm going to buy this next dip so hard. Right? Don't be that guy. A George on fire. I don't like that comparison, man. Floki Inu will overtake ETH. I don't know if Floki Inu will overtake ETH, man. I just want to be handsome Squidward. You know who I want to be? I want to be this guy kicking the bear in the nuts. Boom! But, you know, unfortunately we had to wait a little bit. You know? Let me take this off. There we go. Panic buying all week. Nice. Bathwater said, I came here for TA. Bathwater. No, you didn't. You came here for this. Happy and clappy. Look at the guy behind Vitalik. It's not even Vitalik anymore. It's the guy dropping his shoulder. He got no rhythm. He doesn't even drop his shoulder to the beat. Boom! That guy dancing, man. That's why you came here. Luna Pump. It's totally Bath. Oh, man. Luna's pump. Why do you guys keep saying Luna's pumping, man? All right, I'm going to look at it for one time. One time, because I'm so sick of talking about Luna. I'm going to go look at it one time, and that's it. That's it, man. I can't even watch people's videos because they just talk about Luna the whole time. It's not pumping, man. Let me look at the 1 hour for you. What is this? How you going to say it's pumping, man? It found a base! I'm just waiting for the video tonight. I'm waiting for the video tonight that says it found a base. Guys. I'm not going to even talk about it. It's not pumping, okay? It's not. Adios. Okay? I mean, I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. Why is Jordan so angry? Oh no, Joe Daddy, I'm actually in a good mood today, buddy. I think maybe if you just came in, maybe it seems like I'm angry. Because I just ranted. I ranted so hard today. Like my voice already hurts because I ranted so hard. You gotta check the fear and greed. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? An 8? What? This shit makes no sense. Oh, God, man. An 8? Bruh. What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover. God, I can't be bullish today. Shit, I'm super excited to be bullish, but I can't be bullish. What do I do? Oh, let's go on Twitter. Let's go on Twitter and spam like 8 times in an hour. Here we go. Bitcoin is so bullish today. Woo! Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is the future. Oh my god, people are gonna love these tweets. People are gonna love these tweets. Oh my god. Bitcoin is the world's future currency. Yes! They're gonna love these tweets. Let's set these on auto reschedule so they tweet every day. Let's just make a random tweet saying Bitcoin's in a bull flag, even though it's not. Yes. I'm super excited about these tweets. Super excited. Well, people are gonna retweet all these tweets. Let's do that stupid noise. Why do I do that? I do that noise for everyone. Yeah, Rover's panicking right now. 8. Jack off that martini guy. I think that martini guy and Rover got something going on. But they're always like tweeting at each other. But anyways, 8 on the extreme fear. So, like I said, fear and greed doesn't mean anything to me. I just look at it as a meme because everyone like panics. Oh my god, look at it, it's 8. It's more of a meme to me, you know? It is a meme. Like the fear and greed index is a meme. It doesn't mean shit. It really doesn't. And everyone like looks at it as this like, oh my god, look at it. It's such a good indicator. I mean, yes. I mean, you could buy when it's in fear. But there's also been times you bought it when it's in fear and you got absolutely wrecked. So, she's going to dump, folks. Sus. You said it's going lower, so you're the fear. Here you go, man. I do think it's going to go lower. I believe it's going lower than it is right now, that's for sure. Jordan is a meme. Facts. Well, let me tell you, I'm one good meme. You wish you were as good as a meme as me. All right? You wish you were. I wish I was as good as a meme as the Bank of Canada guy, but I'm not.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest
in Bitcoin. Crypto Rover is the best. I'm glad you went with that filter. Bro. Crypto Rover? Oh my god, bro. Listen, guys, I am a very patient person, okay? If I unfollow someone on Twitter, that means they really got to be pissing me off. There's only 2 people I've ever unfollowed on Twitter. Crypto Rover and that Martini guy. Those are the only people. The only people, man. Everyone else is fine. I can deal with it. But those 2? Oh my lord. It's like, I don't know, man. I don't even know what's going on in there. Oh, and Carl. I had to unfollow Carl too. Carl's the worst by far. But Rover and that Martini guy are like Carl Juniors, man. It's bad. Really, really bad. Crypto Lifer's the worst? Nah, man. Crypto Lifer's cool, man. What's up, Fumbles? Thank you for coming to member, man. No, but no, Crypto Lifer's cool, man. I like Lifer. Just don't sign up for his trading group, that's all. But other than that, no, he's cool. He's cool besides that. You guys know me. I have a big mouth. Don't sign up for trading groups. Trading groups are dumb. You just said Jordan is a broken record. Who's not a broken record, man? If you believe something, why are you going to make up shit, right? If you believe in what you're saying, why are you going to make up stuff? Just so you can make new content. Right? If there's certain things you look at and that's what you believe in, why are you going to change it out? Right? Makes no sense. Time for a rant alert. Oh, man. Fumble said I'll probably cancel. No, you won't, Fumbles. Come on, man. Fumbles is a good troll too, I can say. What do you think about Ben Cowan's $99 a month premium service? Not worth it either. Not worth it either. Not worth it either. You guys could develop. The things that he's developed, you guys can do in 2 seconds of a YouTube tutorial. I'm just being honest. That's not worth it either, man. Listen, I'll say this. Watch YouTubers for entertainment. So I always tell you guys, I only watch people that entertain me. I don't watch people for, I don't watch people for, intelligence. Okay? No one's right in this market, man. No one's right in this market. Waterfly, what's up, man? What are the main reason you think bottom is close? David, I'd talk about that for an hour, my friend. Bitcoin slowly. The mod saying his Telegram isn't worth it unless you have a bigger bag. I mean, I would say it's not worth it. Any way you look at it, I would say it's not worth it.
I forgot
Any way you look at it.
Impression with Rover.
I love the bottom dwellers. Guys, crypto is so easy. You don't need... It's so easy, man. You don't need $100 service to tell you when to buy and when to sell. Buy when the prices are freaking low. I'll tell you exactly what is the easiest thing. Buy when Bitcoin's as close as possible to the 200 SMA. There you go. There you go. You guys want $100 a month service? There you go. That's it. Sell when the prices are going up. Take profits as the price is going up. It's not that hard, man. It's really easy. People make it more difficult than it is. Sell when buy closest you can is the 200 SMA, and sell when the prices are going back up. It's that easy, man. Need a caveman to do it? Nice. Buy whenever. You can do that too. What's going on, Broken Roofer? I'm just being real here, guys. I know a lot of people hate me sometimes. I actually don't have a lot of haters, surprisingly. But I know a lot of people get mad at me sometimes when I'm just spitting facts. But I'm just spitting facts, man. Buy the discounts, sell the rips. Don't get greedy. Drew. Binance will take over Luna Classic. Luna Classic, man. That just sounds so weird to say, Luna Classic. That's really it. Bathwater said, do you think we will get a new yearly high above 48K in 2022? A new yearly high in 48K. So basically, do I think it's going to go higher than 48K in 2022, or do I think it's going to close higher than 48K in 2022? If you're asking answer number one, yes. I think at some point Bitcoin will be higher than 48K in 2022. If you're asking number two, well, I think it will close higher than 48K. That's a little I'm not going to try to make that prediction, man. You don't know if we're going into some longer term sideways consolidation. We don't know if, this is, we don't even know. We don't know what's going to happen. I'm not making that long of a prediction, but I think at some point in 2022 we'll be higher than 48K. Do we stay there, or is it just going to be a dead cat bounce? That's sort of the question, right? That's the question everyone wants to know. Broken Roofer, what's up, man? Thanks for coming, member. I forgot to add a word, the impression with Rover. Oh, okay. Thank you, man. Billy said, what's the best place to get your funds off your crypto portfolio and buy more BTC? I always wanted to ask you that. What's the best place to get funds off your crypto portfolio to buy more Bitcoin? Billy, I don't know what that means, man. Wait, hold on. Let me read that again. I got to focus here. What's the best place to try to get funds off your crypto portfolio to buy more BTC? Are you just talking about where you can buy BTC? I mean, it depends where you are. Obviously, at different exchanges you can use in different places. I like KuCoin. I like Binance US. I like, people hate on Coinbase, but I like Coinbase. People like Crypto.com. Any of those four are pretty reliable and big companies. So you can't go wrong with those ones, man. He means what to sell. Oh, what to sell. I mean, I sold all my altcoins besides like what, 7 altcoins. I mean, I can name it off the top of my head. Bitcoin, this is what I own. This is what I own right now. I don't own a lot. Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, Sol, AVAX, Matic, Chainlink, Harmony, Cadena. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Those 9. I own 9 cryptos right now. That's it. Everything else, all the other crap. A lot of it's not crap. I mean, there's some other good projects I just didn't hold on to, but all the crap coins and all the other coins I didn't mention, I moved into Bitcoin and ETH. Jordan uses Robinhood. I've used Robinhood in the past, yeah. Jordan uses Robinhood. Don't let him fool you. Oh, man. I've used it in the past. Anything over 5 is a lot. But you gotta remember, though, besides Bitcoin and ETH, about 10% of my portfolio was in alts. Besides Bitcoin and ETH. So it's not a big amount. But I obviously want some exposure to the higher cap alts. You sold your Shiba? Oh, I forgot about Shiba. I always forget about Shiba. Shiba 2. Shiba 2. Harmony looks so bad. Yeah. Oh, I was trying to name them off the top of my head. Dot. I forgot about Dot too. It's a lot of the big layer ones. A lot of the big layer ones I still hold. Right? Bitcoin, ETH, Cardano, Sol, Polkadot, AVAX. I was trying to do it off the top of my head, and I panic sold. I panic sold my portfolio. But Shiba, Matic, Chainlink, Harmony One, and Cadena. I believe I didn't miss any this time. But yeah, that's what I'm holding, man. I forgot about Dot and Shiba. Dot, Shiba. I don't think I missed anything else here. No Crow, no Litecoin, no Uniswap, no XLM, no Atom, no Algo. Yeah. I think that's it. No Ape, no HBAR, no Elron, no VeChain, no ICP, no Filecoin, no Sandbox, no Tezos, no Maker, no Zcash, no Qcoin, no Theta, no PancakeSwap, definitely no EOS. Definitely no EOS. Yeah, definitely no EOS. No Aave, no The Graph. You guys get the point. You guys get the point. No XRP. No XRP. Maybe I'll buy some XRP at some point. Who knows? Wayne, go. Mana? No mana. No mana. Recycled. XRP, EOS, and ICP. ETH Classic, man. ETH Classic. Big layer ones are great. Do you research the upcoming layer ones? Not too much, Shay. I do like Cadena, though. I like Cadena for a lower cap project. I kept my Theta and Ada. I like how they rhyme. Theta and Ada. Nice, Tiffany. All right. Anything else really going down? Nothing's going down, man. That's really it. Ethereum Classic. Let me ask a question in the chat. I'm curious. What's your guys' biggest altcoin holding? I should ask this. Actually, no. Let's not include Ethereum because Ethereum is going to be the top answer. Besides Bitcoin and ETH, right? Besides those two, what's your biggest holding? I've always wanted to ask this, but I never had to. Besides Bitcoin and ETH, what's your biggest holding? Let me know in the chat. Besides Bitcoin and ETH, what's up, BRMC? Joe, what's up, man? Solana, Doge, XRP, Digi said just chilling at 30K. Are we going to break it? Yeah, we're just chilling. Just chilling at 30K. No ETH. No ETH. Zill, Luna, Matic, Atom, Solana, ETH, Crow, Chainlink, AMP. I'm seeing a lot of Sol. A lot of Sol, man. A lot of ADA. Looks like Solana and ADA are the two most popular here. Sol, ADA. BNB, Matic, Catena. So I see a lot of ADA and Sol, and I'm seeing a lot of Matic too. See a lot of XRP, a lot of XRPers in here, which is fine. Actually, I'll wait till the chat dies down a little bit. I'm curious what everyone's top holding is. Like if we include Bitcoin and ETH, what everyone's top holding is. I'm curious if people's top holding is Bitcoin, people's top holding is ETH, or people's top holding is an alt. I'm curious. I'm very curious. Algo, dot second is Sol. Cake. Ape. People are balls deep into ape, I guess. That's crazy. That's crazy. Obviously, Big Daddy BTC. I'm staying a little bit longer here, guys. I'll stay out a little bit longer. I'm just hanging out, shooting the chat with you guys, shooting the chat. Shooting the chat. That's the way we say it here. BNB, ETH, BTC. Top is BTC, XRP, only alts. You get 350 Solana. Benjamin Franklin's. 100% alts. My tops are DOT 18%, BNB 16%. Nice, man. A lot of different things going on here, right? Everyone has different strategies and in different things that they look at, man. So that's why everyone holds different coins. Keith says do-rag. Nice. Why New York session slow? Yeah, it was pretty slow today. I mean, not really much happened today. Not much happened today. Yeah, all day was pretty much just locked in a range between 29.3 and 33, right? All day was pretty slow. For crypto slow, I would say. Crypto slow. Balls deep on ape. BTC 30%, BNB 18, 20%, ETH is 18%. UST. Someone said UST. That's too early, too soon, man. Actually, it's not really too soon. I'm done. Like it just being like, I get people lost money in Luna, but people lost money in every alt. So it's, you know, it's one of those things. It's like, first of all, like it sucks people lost money. Second of all, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Like I'd be real. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Okay, don't be over invested into one altcoin. Yeah, man, that's the reality of the situation, man. Shiba and Doge. Buying Phantom NFTs gems is cheap right now. My strat is to buy tops and sell bottoms, said Drew. Nice, dude. Nice. That's gonna kill it. There should be a strategy of who can get their portfolio to zero fastest. You know, like people say who could get their portfolio. Like you can even do like a fake portfolio, but who could, if you start with like, let's say we start with 10K, right? Who could get their portfolio to zero the fastest? That would be a pretty fun game to play, wouldn't it? We should do that one time. Who can get their portfolio to zero the fastest? By just like literally just trying to make the worst trades you can. Literally trying to make the worst. What would be your strategy for doing that? Getting your portfolio to zero the fastest. Vulcan Forged. Um, B&B, I already won. I already won. 1 second. This guy with 100x leverage. No, you can't use leverage. You can't use leverage. You have to do pure spot. Pure spot trading. If you use leverage, you can. It doesn't count because obviously you can just get liquidated. I could lose 10K in 1 click. No leverage. No leverage, man. Whoever can get to 0 doing spot trades the fastest. No leverage. Good question. Just send the tokens to... that would be a good strat. Just send your tokens to another wallet. That would be cheating, though. Just buy low cap altcoins, long shot coins at the peak. $100x on a Bitcoin short. All in on Luna. That might be the strat right now. Is all in on Luna. That would probably be the strat. Luna. Hey Jordan, how have you been on? How long you been on? Hour and a half, man. If you want to count the pregame lobby where I was talking the whole time, been on for about hour and 40 minutes. Hour and 40 minutes, man. Just talking my head off. I'm running low on energy right now because I was going absolutely nuts today. Let me know if you guys like the stream today. You guys like the stream today? I was ranting like crazy. I was going absolutely nuts. So you guys gotta give me a little credit right now. I mean, I'm a little low energy, but I was ranting. I was spitting facts today. I thought it was a pretty good stream. Now we're just kind of hanging out because all my energy is gone. It's literally gone. What's funny is if you go to 0, but you keep making money. Yes. Lose it all on gas fees. Actually, that would be a good thing. Just trade it between, ERC, right? And just keep playing ETH gas fees, 20 back and back. Let's see. Luna is dead. You're on fire. Demas said no. It was all right. Jordan, my buddy says you are like the poor man's Tom Cruise and super annoying. Hey, I'll take being the poor man's Tom Cruise. Listen, man. Listen. Some people just don't like certain people, right? It is what it is. It is what it is. What I've noticed, the longer people watch my stream, the more people come around on me, right? People like to judge me off the first stream. It is what it is, man. That's sort of the world we live in. People judge off first opinions. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Listen, tell your buddy he can go watch all the smart crypto tubers, okay? The smarties who wear shirt and ties and have British accents, okay? Doesn't mean they're smart. Tell your buddy that. Nah, I'm just playing. Your buddy's probably cool. We laughed, we cried. Some people suck. I hated you at first. I came around eventually. Nah, that's most people I watch. They watch me, I guess. One King said, true, I didn't like you the first time I watched. I don't think anyone really liked me. Even Maya didn't like me the first time she watched me. She watched me once, and then she didn't watch me for like a couple weeks after that. I don't even think I like myself. I don't even like watching myself, to be honest. All right, guys. We've been live for about an hour, 40 minutes, so I'm going to get off. Enjoy your night. A lot of fun tonight. I ranted. I told you guys my what I'm doing. Okay, I told you guys why I think the bottom's close, and that's really it. I laid it out there for you guys. So you guys make your own decision, and we'll go from there. All right? Have a fantastic Monday night. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your crypto. Most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. I'll see you guys at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. Let's get it. Let's get this crypto, man. Good times. See you guys later. All right? Adios. Peace.